Welcome back, Acadiana. Some dynamic weather on the way. Looking at Arkansas, we've already got winter storm watches being issued thanks to a storm system making its way, bringing lots of winter precipitation to them. Unfortunately, not for us. Locally, we do have a cold weather advisory in effect tomorrow from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. thanks to the temperatures induced by the wind chills, which will be in the 20s. So you want to bundle up in the morning, make sure you're nice and warm and covered and ready to go. Taking a look at what expects out of that system. I know the big talk is, are we getting winter precipitation? Today, nice and clear, still have those northerly winds keeping us cold. Our high hit about 46 to 48 today, but then look, here comes that winter storm. All this pink you see here is what we believe to be an ice, and then the blue is the snow. And unfortunately, as it gets here into Lafayette and into Louisiana, we have got the rain of this event. And what's happening is that system is actually bringing in a very moist air mass from the Gulf of Mexico. Moisture values right now are actually in the 90th percentile, so we are hatched in for a marginal risk of flooding. As you can see here in Lafayette, by Friday afternoon, it's estimating 1.8 inches of rain. These are satellite-derived estimates. It's very possible that these will actually see locally higher results, and you'll see the WPC issuing that risk of excessive rainfall here. Very likely that that storm trains along the coast that you saw, leading to those flooding. Here is a few of those accumulation maps that we have from both the Euro and the GFS. As you can see, they're of similar mindsets, where areas are going to have lots of continued precipitation leading to local higher amounts, and these can actually change with time. So we can't pinpoint where it's going to be just yet, but you can expect at least 1 to 3 inches, some areas possibly even seeing more. Taking a look at tonight's low temperatures, similar to yesterday's, we're going to be in those low to mid 20s yet again along the I-10 corridor and coastally as well, a little bit more upper 20s. Still another chilly night with the forecasted wind chills keeping it that cold as well. If you have any plans tonight, you want to stay bundled up and warm and avoid long exposure. These temperatures are actually dangerous. The cold can actually harm you. So let's take a look at that 10-day forecast and see what we can expect over the next couple days, because it's becoming very dynamic. Wednesday is another day similar to today, where high is going to be at 48, 30. Clouds that are actually possibly going to clear out. You might see a little bit of frost in the morning Wednesday in areas that the winds become calm and those clouds aren't really existing. But then the rain moves in. Thursday afternoon is when it's going to start entering into the area. Highs are going to be 48, lows 32. I know you see rain and freezing temperatures. We're not anticipating frozen roads, however. Road conditions don't seem to be an issue. And then Friday is when a lot of the precipitation and the higher totals are going to start to arrive. 90% chance, pretty much 100% chance Thursday night as we go into Friday. And then as we move forward, we get a little bit of a break Saturday and Sunday. That rain kind of finally starts to back off. We get a little bit of sun. We warm back up a little bit. People like me enjoy it. The people who love the cold, you're losing it for just a little bit. But then we have another system making its way back by Monday and Tuesday of next week. GFS and Euro split on that idea of how it's going to be playing out. So we're leaving those pops in for now. Possible that they're going to change. Honestly, really pretty likely. We'll see how it plays out. But then after that, heading into next weekend, ideally we start to get a break. We'll keep a close eye on it. So tomorrow, just be ready for another day of cold temperatures. And then Thursday and Friday, be prepared for the rain coming in. Don't let it catch you off guard. Be ready for those heavier rain totals. We'll take one final look at your 24-hour forecast coming up in just a bit.